Yeah, good morning, Rhonda. And this is a rapidly intensifying storm, just dramatic difference in the past 24 hours. On the satellite imagery, you can see the eye that has developed. That is one key sign of an intensifying hurricane. This is becoming very well organized there. Notice the symmetry around that eye. That's another thing. All right, take a look at the computer model here. Let's put it in motion. And you can see here, there is what looks to be the landfall between Galveston and just south of Beaumont, Texas there, between Galveston and Lake Charles. And this is just going to be a catastrophic hurricane for those areas, and then the thing is going to continue northward. Real quick, I want to show you my chart here. Now, this gives you probabilities of wind and timing for various cities from New Orleans back to Houston. Let's just focus on the hurricane force winds. You can read across from left to right. For example, Lake Charles, you see the onset there is Thursday at 2 a.m., so overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. Beaumont, Texas, that risk, again, it's an overnight tonight into tomorrow morning risk. So that's the timing of the thing. You saw that in the computer model. You see that here on the stats. And so this is just going to be a rough go of it for them down on the Gulf Coast. Now, we're not out of the woods. We don't get hurricanes, but we have a severe storm threat